Students, next we are going to discuss normal modes of a closed organ pipe. As you can see, as I've told you that the closed organ pipe is closed at only one end and one end is open. Okay, so as the wave is reflected from the closed end, the direction of motion of the particle changes in closed organ pipe, whereas in open organ pipe you have seen that the direction of motion of particles remains same. And at the closed end the displacement is zero, that is why a node is formed at closed end, whereas at the open end displacement is maximum, therefore an antinode is formed at this open end. Fine. Now we'll look at the different modes of vibration of this closed pipe. Let us discuss the first mode of vibration. As I've told you that the first mode of vibration is always the simplest mode of vibration. And in this case we can see that there is one node at closed end and one antinode at open end, and we know that distance between a node and antinode is lambda by 4. So what will be the length of this organ pipe? It will be lambda by 4. Therefore lambda is equals to 4 times of L. Let us find the frequency now. We will be equal to V by lambda. We know that V is equals to, first we will put the value for lambda 1, which is 4L, and this V is equal to speed of sound, so lambda P by rho. Let us say this is equal to nu. Fine. Now next we will consider the second mode of vibration. Yes, this is also known as first harmonic or fundamental frequency. Okay. So this is known as fundamental frequency or first harmonic. Now let us consider the second mode of vibration. As you can see here in this diagram, there is one node at the closed end and one node in the middle also. And in between them an antinode is present, whereas an antinode is also present at the open end. Fine. So the total length will be equal to, this is node to antinode, lambda by 4 and lambda 4 by 4. So we can write L is equal to 3 times of lambda by 4. Now let us find out value for lambda here. We'll get lambda is equals to 4L by 3. Put this in frequency. Nu 2 is equals to V by lambda 2 is equals to 3 by 4L, which is the value for lambda 2, under root of gamma P by rho. How can we write this? This is equals to 3 times of nu. Fine. And this is known as first overtone or third harmonic. Now this is the difference in open organ pipe and closed organ pipe. For open organ pipe, the second mode of vibration was known as second harmonic, whereas here, as it is coming equal to 3 times of nu, okay, that is why this is the first overtone but the third harmonic. Fine. Now for third mode of vibration, let us consider this figure. As you can see that there a node is present at the closed end and an antinode is present at the open end, and in between them 2 more antinodes and 2 more nodes are formed. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So length will be equal to 5 times of lambda by 4. Now from here we will derive value for lambda, which comes out to be equal to 4L by 5. Now let us find out its frequency. V by lambda 3, it will be equal to 5 of 4 by 4L from this, under root of gamma P by rho. If you check, this is equals to 5 nu. Okay, so initially for first mode of vibration we got this equal to nu, for second mode of vibration 3 nu, and for third mode of vibration 5 nu. Okay, if you find out the ratio between these different frequencies, you can see 1 is to 3 is to 5. The ratio between these different frequencies comes out to be 1 is to 3 is to 5 is to 7 and so on. Okay. So for a closed organ pipe, only odd harmonics are present in a closed organ pipe. Okay, only odd harmonics are present, whereas this was not the case with the open organ pipe. Here you can see odd harmonics as well as even harmonics both were present. Okay, I hope all these things were clear to you.